Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Pink color, brown color, green color, violet color, yellow color and red color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Let's trace A. A for apple. A. A for alligator. A. A for aeroplane. This is a small A. This is A for apple. Now kids, we are tracing letter B. B for ball. B for bat. This is letter B. B for balloon. Kids, we are tracing letter B. This is letter B. Now kids, we are tracing C. C for cat. This is letter C. C for car. C for cycle. This is letter C. C. Now kids, we are tracing letter D. D for dog. This is letter D. D for duck. Now kids, this is letter D. D for drum. Kids, this is letter D. This is letter D. Now kids, we are tracing letter E. E for elephant. This is letter E. E for eagle. Letter E. E for elephant. Kids, this is letter E. This is letter E. E for eagle. Kids, we are writing letter A. A for apple. This is letter B. B for ball. Now kids, we are writing letter C. C for cat. Kids, this is letter D. D for dog. Kids, this is letter E. E for eagle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.